Hi, good morning guys. Once again, this is Alfred of Sir Alfred TV. Kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, please do like my video, comment, share, and please subscribe to my channel. Once again, this is Alfred of Sir Alfred TV. So today guys, I'm going to share you something special that I bought in dollar store. Dito sa Canada, pag sinabing dollar store, it is the most popular store here. You know why? Kasi pwede kang maka-discount dito ng 25 to 50% off. Yung ipapakita ko sa inyo guys ngayon ito, I checked in the Amazon. You know how much is the price? It's $9.97. And this thing, I bought only in dollar store for just $2.95. Diba? Ang laking kamurahan. So what is this thing that I'm going to share to you guys? And bakit special siya sa akin? Kasi guys, for your information, I love cooking. So this thing will be very helpful to me. Let's play a little bit kasi nakaka-relax. Let's open, close, open, close. But for your information guys, hindi ito yung purpose niya. So yung purpose niya is ang galing, di ba? So just to give you a background dito sa product na nabili ko na super cheap. This is what you called steamer basket or sometimes they called as steaming basket. So it is made up of stainless steel. Yan. So this steamer basket is the most common way to steam vegetables. Kasi dito guys, mahilig kami mag-steam ng vegetables, especially when you have kids. So we steam vegetables such as like carrots, broccoli, potato, what else? Beans, spinach, and so on and so forth. So yan, especially if you have kids, mas magandang ini-steam yan instead of like lalagyan ng oil, piprito, mas maganda steam. Much healthier pa. And we as a Filipino will love like preparing leche plan. Ayan. So yung mga siopaw, ito pwedeng-pwede to guys. It's very, very helpful. And later habang pinapakita ko sa inyo yung picture how to use this one, basically it's very easy. Okay, so this simple houseware is inserted directly into the pot or pan. Sa mga kasirola natin, medium size, big size, later I'm going to show you how. And then, just use the stove or the microwave. Pero today, ipapakita ko sa inyo, gamit yung stove lang. Diba? So the concept is very simple guys. You just add a little bit of water into the pot, place your veggies in the basket, and then close the lid to the pot. Boom! Presto! That is the way how you use this steamer basket. So ayan. So meron din siyang handle dito na we can remove if we're going to put a bigger food. O halimbawa ito nilagay ko yung siopaw. Ito, ang galing, di ba? So tinanggal ko yung metal handle niya. Then I put the siopaw inside. Then of course may water na yan. As you can see guys, yan, nagkakaroon na siya ng steam. Ibig sabihin, nagbo-boil na siya inside and it creates steam. And that steam will cook the veggie or yung siopaw na ating nilagay dito sa ating steamer basket made up of stainless steel. Murang-mura guys. Just go to the dollar store. You can buy it less than $3. I told you last time I checked in Amazon. It's almost $10. So, ang laki ng katipiran natin. So, yun lang. After you put that. Oh, ito yung process. So, meron akong pot dyan. So, I put water. Mga 1 inch or 1.5 inch above dun sa pot mo. Yan, lagay lang natin siya. So, yan yung height ng water na ilalagay natin. So, of course, we are going to allow it to boil in order to create steam. Ako, nilagyan ko siya ng Ito, yung maliit na tasa ba yung tawag dito? Ayan. And then, after that, I put the steamer basket. Ayan. Ganun lang. May handle siya kasi if you're going to steam veggie, para pagka luto na, just pull it. Ayan. Ayan, that is the process. Put some water, mga 1 to 1.5 inch yung height niya doon sa inyong pot. Ayan. So, lagay niyo yung inyong mga vegetable dyan like carrots, potato, beans, and then allow to steam. And then, ayan. So, ngayon, meron ako ditong hawak na siopaw. So, what I'm going to do is to remove the handle. To remove that, just simply press yung upper side niya. Ayan, press natin. Ayan, so it removes easily. Kung gusto niyo balik, press niyo uli para mapunta siya sa both side. Ayan. So, tinanggal ko yun because I'm going to put the bigger food ng siopaw natin para may space siya talaga. Ayan. So, just put it. May water siya inside. Ayan. Kasi mahilig kami mag-siopaw. Ayan. And then, cover it. If you notice, after few minutes, ayan, magbe-blurred na yung cover niya because it creates steam because nagbo-boil na yung water inside. And take note, always monitor the water kasi we don't want to scald the bottom of your pot. Kasi pag naubos na yung water dyan and there's still a fire doon sa inyong stove, of course, it will scald the bottom of your pot. Masusunog yan. So always monitor the water because we just put like 1 to 1.5 inch level ng water. So yun lang, napakasimple. And to tell you guys, this is very helpful kung mahilig talaga kayo magluto, especially steaming foods like vegetables, siopaw, leche plan. This is very helpful for just $2.90. Murang-mura, just go to the dollar store. So ulitin ko, the technique is very simple when you use the steamer basket. Ang gawin nyo lang, fill a medium pot with 1 to 1.5 inch of water. And then, lagay nyo lang yung metal na basket doon sa inyong pot. And then, if you're going to steam vegetable, scatter nyo lang dyan sa inyong basket. And then, cover. Yan, ganun lang kasimple. And then, if you're going to put a larger amount ng food like siopaw, leche plan, just remove the metal handle by simply pressing the circle on top. Matatanggal lang yan. Yan, kung pakasimple. Kung gusto ikabit, press nyo lang yung both side uli. And then presto, we have a metal handle once again. So napakaganda guys. So gustong gusto ko to. This is one of my favorite na nabili sa dollar store. Very cheap, pero it is very helpful, especially kami mag-asawa, we love cooking. Gustong gusto ko to kasi before, when I cook leche plan, I always tawag dito, make improvised steamer. Ito, bagay na bagay sa akin. Maganda. Thank you so much guys.